For big areas and busy schedules, Tomahawk Battery Powered Sweepers are 5 times faster than a broom, covering a wider path on every pass, helping you cover more surface area so you can finish sweeping faster. Watch this guide to get you started today. Start by carefully removing all parts from the box, ensuring you have all the necessary components. The handles can be adjusted to 2 different positions depending on the user's height. Turn the handle fittings on the sweeper so they're positioned vertically. Press the spring button located at the base of the handles. Insert the handle into the fitting until the button clicks into place, locking securely. Repeat this process on the other side. Next, to install the fuse, pull up the cover at the bottom of the sweeper to access the battery compartment. Plug the fuse into the terminal, replace the cover, and close the cover securely. To start sweeping, press the power switch located on top of the unit to engage the brushes. For the best results, sweep in long parallel strips, overlapping each pass by 6 to 12 inches to ensure complete coverage. To activate the dust suppression system, press the button next to the power switch. This will help minimize dust as you sweep. The sweeper comes with an adjustable brush system. To change the brush height, turn the adjustment knob to select the appropriate level. Use levels 1 to 2 for flat, hard surfaces. Use levels 3 to 4 for damp leaves, sand, or uneven surfaces. Use levels 5 to 8 for heavy dirt and very uneven surfaces. When it's time to recharge the battery, plug the charger into a standard outlet. Pull up the cover from the bottom of the sweeper to access the battery compartment. Connect the charger to the charging port on the sweeper. The LED indicator on the charger will light up red while charging and turn green when fully charged. And that's it! Your Tomahawk battery-powered push sweeper is now ready to tackle even the largest cleaning tasks with ease. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk equipment, be sure to click subscribe today.